All right, I'm just about to head out of downtown Memphis, and this is like the main bridge that goes across, and this is where the Bass Pro Shop is. Kind of an interesting building. It was built as a, I think it was like a sports arena of some sort, like a basketball court or something. And of course, probably not the most well thought out idea. So, fun fact, when you build a glass pyramid, they leak really bad. The Luxor in Vegas is the same way. It leaks everywhere when it rains. Anyway, Bass Pro took this over a long time ago, and
Actually, we had
the one real deal breaker I have with this place is that, see there's like a viewing kind of platform up there. They want to charge you money to ride the elevator up there. I can't even wrap my head around that. You know, you've got people coming in here. It's a destination, right? People are coming here to spend money. They have hotel rooms, restaurant, plus all the other crap that they sell. Like, you want to charge money for the elevator. That's so dumb. That's so dumb. So I won't be riding the elevator. I don't pay to ride elevators. And I don't pay to park either. That's just my belief system. Alright, let's see here. Well, it's definitely a big building. I almost thought about staying at this hotel, but I think it was really expensive. It wasn't, their website was not real easy to use. Otherwise, I might have stayed here just for fun, but yeah. Oh, I didn't know. Okay, my bad. No worries, thanks. Wow, they have an actual police officer here. Yeah, so Memphis is pretty ghetto. I did see some signs of houses being renovated, and there's definitely some signs of a little bit of a revitalization effort going on. You know, some of the nice older houses were getting remodeled, and you do see some construction. The city seems to be actually kind of slowly turning around, but I drove through a lot of the surface streets, so I did not just drive through, you know, on the highway. I drove the entire length of the town on the surface streets, and it's pretty bad. It's kind of, it doesn't look quite as bad as Detroit, but it's not far off. Check this out. So there you go. There's the middle of the pyramid. Something about, like, this is the world's largest, like, freestanding elevator or something. I don't know if I really believe that or not, but whatever. Hope this video turns out okay. It's very dim in here. It's very dimly lit. Let's get a Mark Wahlberger. It seems like every celebrity has jumped on this bandwagon of every celebrity needs to now market a food item, because, you know, they're, oh my god, look at that thing. I don't know what that is, but that is massive if you can see it in the water. That is one massive fish. I have no idea what these are, but they're pretty big. I'm genuinely impressed by how big some. Oh, that's some big catfish. Can you see them? They're just dark shadows in the water. That's probably like a 30-pound catfish. Oh, look at this one. This is huge. Look at this. That's a ginormous catfish. Wow. They're such beautiful creatures. do some noodling in here, right? Oh, that's big. It is shocking how big catfish can get. I saw one in an aquarium in Chattanooga once. I mean, it was like the size of a car. It was unbelievable. Anyway, I guess that's pretty much the extent of it. I don't have a whole lot else to talk about in here. It's just a store. It's kind of funky. I mean, if you're in the area, stop by. There's like a river walk area that might be worth walking around, but honestly, the city itself, it doesn't look very safe. It does not have much appeal to me. Anyway, that's the Bass Pro, Memphis.